si Piwini. Kamusta mo? Special shoutout sa ako mga supportive friends from Luzon. Thank you for always supporting my videos. And don't worry, konting Bisaya lang today. Promise. So, story time. One of the questions I get the most is, Piwi, how's life after leaving your online job? Honestly, busy pa rin. Very busy. Pero ibang klase na yung busy. Hindi na PC ang una kong hinahanap sa umaga. Carrots na. Each day, I prepare the ingredients, I mix the filling, wrap lumpia, and pack customer orders. Nakakapagod? Of course. Pero iba yung pagod kapag alam mong para sa pamilya mo. And one of my favorite parts of the day is having my little assistant, si Beads. She always volunteers to peel the carrots. Pero ang ending, mas marami pa siyang nakakain kaysa nabalatan. Honestly, I don't even stop her. At least kumakain siya ng gulay. Small win na yan para sa isang mama. And one thing I'm really grateful for is that I get to be more present now. Before, after school, we had to rush home kasi may online work pa akong kailangan balikan. Kapag may homework siya, most of the time, her tutor was the one helping her. But now, ako na. I get to sit beside her, I get to teach her, kahit naaalis yung pagka-dragon ko, but I get to celebrate every little achievement. And honestly, those simple moments mean everything to me. At saka, after classes, nakakapaglaro na siya ng mas matagal kasama ang friends niya. Hindi na tulad ng dati na, Beads, bilisan natin, mama still has work. Now, it's simply, sige go, enjoy, die. Sometimes I just sit there watching her laugh, cheka-cheka with other momshies, tsaka watching her enjoy being a kid. And that's when I realize, these are the moments I used to miss. Of course, running a small lumpia business isn't easy, no? Some days are full of orders, some days are really quiet. But every order that comes in reminds me that God has always been faithful. One order, one prayer, one day at a time. Looking back, I don't think I left my online job because life became easier. I left because I wanted to be more present. More present as a mom, more present as a wife, and more present for the moments that I'll never get back. And honestly, I wouldn't trade this life for anything. Salamat sa pakikintuhan, storya na punta puhon.